and small. You want the Atlas? Take it! It's yours. But Oriath, I will burn to the ground. Perhaps the suffering of my fellow citizens will finally stir something.
Fury of the cosmos! Be utterly annihilated!
What's this? A real challenge? You've finally caught my attention. Die.
This city is nothing! Be utterly annihilated!
The others found strength in their projections. They became reliant on them. I am not so foolish. Die.
Watch beauty crumble!
Just need a moment to catch my breath.
Glorious flames!
Is life really interesting enough to warrant all this pain? Die.
This world is doomed!
Die.
Why run? What's the point? Why resist?
Do you yet see the futility of your efforts?
This city is nothing! Embrace nothing.
On the edge of death, my heart races. I am alive. You will long for
Non-existence. Beyond, there is only horror. Be silent. Die. Everlasting fire.
I felt something